Did you know that insects are not just part of the ecosystem but also natural healers? From ancient times, humans have discovered the medicinal benefits of ants, butterflies, and bees. Let's explore their incredible healing abilities with Wondrous Nature. Ants may be small, but their medical applications are remarkable. Antibacterial properties. Ants secrete formic acid, which has strong antibacterial effects and was used in traditional medicine for wound disinfection. Natural sutures. In some African and South American tribes, soldier ants are used to suture wounds. The ants bite the wounds shut, and their bodies are removed, leaving only their locked jaws as natural stitches. Health benefits. In Chinese medicine, certain ant species are used in medicinal tonics to boost immunity and reduce joint pain. Butterflies symbolize beauty, but they also provide health benefits. Healing compounds in butterfly wings. Some butterfly species have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds used in skincare to aid skin repair. Medicinal caterpillars. Silkworm larvae are used in traditional medicine to improve circulation and overall health. Environmental indicators. Butterflies are highly sensitive to pollution. Their presence helps scientists assess environmental quality, leading to better human health insights. Bees are perhaps the most famous medicinal insects, providing valuable natural products. Honey, natural antibiotic. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide and enzymes that promote wound healing and fight infections. Bee venom therapy. Aphitherapy is used to treat arthritis, nerve conditions, and inflammation. Propolis and beeswax. Powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Propolis is used to treat sore throats, stomach ulcers, and immune system disorders. From ants and butterflies to bees, these tiny creatures are helping us heal in amazing ways. Have you heard of these healing insects before? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Nature for more nature mysteries.